Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we will talk about cache, one of the most important components in distributed system. The main purpose of using cache is to improve performance. 90% of read requests of some large systems like Facebook are being handled by cache instead of database. In this video, we will introduce some basics of cache. Where can caches be located? What is local cache? What is global cache? What is distributed cache? This diagram is an illustration of distributed system. It has front, load balancer, application server, and data store. In reality, distributed systems are much more complex, but I just want to use it to illustrate where caches can be located. Caches can be located in backend, database. Here is DB cache here, and also cache can be located in the middle tier, like in application server, the applications cache here, and also cache can located in a front end. Here we have CDN, which is a content delivery network. We also consider it as one kind of cache, but I think it's different with other kind of caches, such as caches here. The data stored in memory, but in CDN, content are not stored in memory. In CDN, you already store static content like picture, video, etc. And CDN is closed physically to the end user, so the user's request can come to CDN and get the content from CDN, which is close to the user, but the actual content actually populated from backend data store, like videos and image are populated to CDN, so the user don't need to go to the backend to get videos and pictures. Like one user in China, they don't need to go to the data store which is located in US in order to get the video, picture, etc. This is to reduce network latency. Yeah, I just introduced some example caches, but actually caches can be located in many places, such as in front end. Caches can be stored in browsers and such as mobile client, etc. CDN, we just introduced a web server, reverse proxy server, application server, and services. If we are using microservice architecture, we can have caches in microservices and also deep database cache. Let's look at what is a local cache. Local cache refers to caches located together with the application server or web server or microservice, etc. Local cache has its advantage, that is, it's very fast because the application server can access data locally, so it's very fast. But it also has many disadvantages. One is that the capacity is very limited because the application server and local cache is in one server, so they cannot be scaled, just limited to one server. And a other disadvantage is that the local cache cannot be shared across application servers, such as this application server, it cannot access this cache. So that's the biggest disadvantage. To address this advantage of local cache, here is a global cache. Global cache, it has a separate server, and the cache can be shared across different application servers. You can see that it's kind of single point failure. Usually we have a backup global cache, so that if this global cache dies, the backup global cache can take over. But global cache also has its disadvantage. Also, its capacity is limited because it's just a single server. For global cache, we just introduced the capacity is limited because there is only one cache server. Here is distributed cache. You can see there are many cache servers, so the capacity could be very large. To some extent, I think distributed cache can be seen as one kind of global cache because the cache can be shared by these application servers. Distributed cache also has its disadvantage. That is, it's too complex, such as for application server, when it creates cache, it needs to decide which cache server to select to store the data and later to gather the data from it. Also, there are many cache servers to manage, and the distributed cache easy to scale, such as add more cache servers, and also we need to ensure its availability. So distributed cache is very complex. I'm planning to make another video to introduce more about distributed cache. And sometimes we can use multiple types of caches together, such as in this state system we have local cache, and also we can have distributed cache. The application can get data from local cache. If there is a cache miss, it will go to distributed cache to gather data. If there is a larger cache miss, it will go to the database in the end to gather related data. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you.